Hello, I am Zain. Today we are doing the 30 days garden challenge. And then today, as you can see, is a very rainy day. So we are going to pick one of those pink ones, which are for rainy days only. So I'm going to choose this. And then it says, make a bird feeder by recycling stuff. Ooh, this sounds exciting! You'll need to make a bird cafe. You'll need some box parts, scissors, and then a woodcutter which is extremely sharp. So try not to touch this part. And then tape, marker for marking out the places you'll cut. And then you'll need a pen, some sticks like this and this. And then you'll need bottle caps, like this one's really cool. So we need this really cool thing. It's like a bag, and then it's good for a few kinds of birds, like blue tits. To cut the lines, first add a marker on it, so then you know where to cut exactly, and it's perfect. You should ask your dad or mum about cutting it. Make sure your bottles and cartons are clean and dry before you use them. To tie ropes and hang it, we'll need to punch some holes in on the top, like this. Yay! And then I need to do it on the other one. Okay, so I've got to the ceiling and I'm going to add it on the roof. Okay, that's looking nice. So I'm going to make a perch by using these flaps and then using this barbecue stick to go through like this, and then it goes through the other hole, the other. See over here, this is double-sided tape, which is used in like birthday cards and stuff. So let's put it right there, and all done. So also I've added these bugs to attract all the birds so they can come and eat. And then most of these are peelable and sticky. Just like that, I can add it right over here. All done. So the reason why we are using the net is because, like, if we don't use them for these food nuggets for the birds, then all the rats and mice will come everywhere and eat them all. So really heavy. And now we are going to hang them with it. Oh yeah, I forgot all of these ones. So we can maybe hang it next to it. So to hang all of this, we are going to tie ribbons to it. Like this. This one's ready, so I'm going to add the seeds. Just like that. Yay! It's already looking quite nice in there. Looks also cozy. Maybe some birds could make a nest in it. So we are going to hang this all tomorrow. Just like that. So these are ready and I'm going to hang them. But first of all, I need to figure out where to hang them. So I'm going to add this one. I've added the other one on the cherry tree, so when birds come and eat cherries, they can also eat some seeds. Hola, mi amo Zain. Ay, no. Ah. Wow. To hang it, You need to punch some holes. Now I've made the purchase. Ow. Do not forget to subscribe my channel for more fun ideas. Be good, be happy, and be kind to everybody. Bye.